Well, hello there, Internet people. Welcome back. How are you? Today's video features the top 3 funniest police encounters posted on the internet recently, starting with number 3, the dog poop lady.
What's going on?
I have a dog.
Okay.
I walked my dog this morning, and I was sitting on a park bench down the end of the road. Do you want to show me where it, Doug? Do you want me to show you where it was?
No, it's okay.
Okay. And I sit on the bench, my dog beside me, and I see somebody over on the corner tee that we call it. I call it. And I waved and yelled hello. Now I couldn't see the person's face. I didn't know who it was, but I always yell and wave hello to everybody. Always. And nobody ever has reaction. They say, hi, how are you, blah, 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 or come visit the dog. Well, she got done walking her dog, and I saw that the dog, and she picked it up and came walking over to me, sturdy as you will, and saying something. I said, wait, I can't hear you. I'm hard of hearing. So she comes slamming over to me and took the dog she had from her dog and rammed it into my face. And so I told you not to talk to me. I'm a woman alone. I'm a single woman alone. I have no idea what that's about. And then as she walked away, she called me.
Do you have any idea where she lives?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
All right. Do you have your ID with you?
No, I don't. I can go get it.
It's all right. I'm going to get a photo of you here before we do anything else.
Okay. I couldn't believe she did it. I don't know why she did it.
Have you ever had any interaction with her before?
I was starting to tell you.
Face
The
me.
last time I knew her was,
Can you face me? I'm sorry. Do this real quick.
I was walking my dog up the road here, and for some reason I stopped to look behind me, and she's crouching with her dog down like this on the road, and I don't know why, but it startled me and my dog, and I almost stumbled and fell over. And so I just walked away and went up that way. Nothing else was, just nothing said. So then I came out one morning and waved hello and said hello. And she told me to off and read me a tyranny of cursing you wouldn't believe. And I said, what did I do to you? I don't even know you. She says, I told you not to talk to me. Sometimes you talk to me, sometimes you don't. I have never known the woman to talk to her. I don't yet. So I did say good morning a couple times after that, simply because I say good morning to everybody. And then this morning, she did that over there.
What's she wearing today?
Oh, good Lord, I couldn't tell you, sir.
What's she look like?
She's my height almost. A little bit, but not as big as me probably. And long hair, very long hair that's streaked on the lower ends of the gold streaks on the ends.
Hello. Need to speak with you.
With me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have an altercation with the gentleman standing over there today?
Yelled at each other. Is that an altercation? We've yelled at each other a few times.
Okay. What's going on between you and him?
Honestly, all it is, I'm a woman, young, by myself out here. He has yelled at me before several times, 7 in the morning, just yelling hello. And I told him, I said, hey, I don't know you, you don't know me. I said, don't yell at me. He keeps doing it. I was like, hey. I said, stop. I was like, this is the last time. I said, stop. I was like, I really don't know you. You don't know me. I'm a young woman by myself. I was like, off. And then today, I yelled a little more. I didn't call him a I do feel bad for that. I don't usually use the word. But all I want is him to just, not yell at me in the morning. Can he not do that?
How did he get dog feces smeared across his forehead?
What?
There is dog feces smeared across his forehead.
I don't know anything about that.
Okay, because he's saying...
I do have a dog, but I don't pick up his feces like that.
Well, he's saying you picked it up, walked over, and smeared it across his forehead today.
No. I did walk over and yell at him because when I was yelling, because that's probably about here to that camper from him, and he said he couldn't hear me, so I walked a little closer, but I didn't. No, why would I? That's gross. Who would do that?
I'm just telling you what I'm seeing.
Okay, no. Nothing more than yelling.
Do you have any...
Doesn't matter.
Do you have any identification on you?
I know I can get it. I live right there. I can get it out of my purse.
Would you be so kind?
Yeah, come on, babies.
How many times have you had an altercation with him?
I mean, yelling back and forth like 6 or 7. It's mostly him yelling at me and me just telling him to f off and walking away.
And how long have you been staying here? Quite a while if you've got it on your driver's license, I'd imagine.
Yeah. I've been living in this RV park 2 years. I just moved over to this spot 3 months ago.
Were you walking your dog to let it go to the restroom this morning?
Yeah.
Okay. And did your dog use the restroom?
Yes, my dog used the restroom.
Okay. What did you do with the waste?
Bagged it up like we're supposed to.
And
do you want to see it in the trash?
Okay.
Like, if we got to get that serious about it.
Well, considering it was buried, I would not necessarily tend to believe that was the first one of the day. Or the one you just... Listen,
yeah.
I'll be perfectly honest with you.
Fine. I should probably call, you think, a lawyer? Or, like, what's this going? Because now he's saying these things. We've only yelled at each other, like, just like, how serious do I need to take this?
There's a crime being alleged, so
Okay.
I'm investigating a battery at this point.
A battery? Okay.
Because smearing feces on somebody would be considered a battery. You were sitting here.
I yelled hello.
You were sitting at this bench right here?
I sat on this bench here.
Okay.
And I saw somebody. I know it was her. But then later, she came out from there and walked around over there behind the boat. And I saw her dog get trapped, and I saw she picked it up, and I thought, oh, that's good. And then I just sat there, like I do often with my dog, and she was rolling over with a purpose, but I didn't know what her purpose was. And as she was coming over from about the middle of the gray asphalt, she was yelling at me. And I said to her, slow down, I can't understand you, I can't hear you. And as she came up upon me, I guess she said, I told you not to talk to me, blah, blah, blah. I'm a single woman living alone. I don't understand. She said that to me a couple times. I don't know. And she slammed this bag of shit in my face, and I pushed backwards, and then I tried to push her away, and my hand got caught in her long hair on this side. But she got up, and she's getting up. She called me a something else, and off she strode.
So the feces was in a bag that she had in her hand?
Yes.
Okay. What color? Do you remember what color the bag was?
You know, I was thinking about that. It was, they make these neon colors. It was sort of like a teal, the color of my house. It wasn't blue, it wasn't green, it was a mixed shade.
And what hand did she push up against you with?
This hand, sure.
So right hand?
Yes.
And then did she take the bag with her as well?
Oh, yeah, she took it all with her. It's up there somewhere. Oh, so she threw it away, but I don't know where she threw it away at.
Okay. All right, because she says that everything you said happened except for that. It's the only thing.
My face.
Correct. It's the only thing she doesn't admit to. She says that's the one thing that she did not do. She admitted to using the foul language. She admitted to using the very unkind description of you. However, she says that was verbal only and there was no physical altercation.
That's a lie. That's a lie. I want her charged.
Well, I'm going to. I mean, because that's what you want. I'm going to charge her.
Oh, I do.
Ma'am, do you have any dog bags on you?
Yeah. Oh, hold on, hold on.
Pull out the one you just had in your hand. Yeah, that's the one that's sitting on the bench, right by the bench. Okay. So you're going to be charged with battery because the physical evidence is still sitting over there. It's that bag right there, the green one. It does have feces on it. It matches the feces that's on his forehead. Unless you would like to amend your statement to me. Would you like me to show you the bag that's still sitting on the ground over there? Because it's going to match that one specifically, right? And there's a reason you started pulling that one out and shoved it back in your pack and then pulled out the dark black one, which is what you showed me over here.
Am I about to be arrested just so I can give him to somebody? Or
I'm looking to try to not to do that, but you haven't been honest with me up until this point. Because when people are dishonest, that shows a decision to do criminal activity and not take ownership of it. You have no criminal activity. I just ran your criminal activity history. You have nothing.
I know, because I don't like to be a bad person. I don't like to yell at people. I don't like.
Okay. You understand. Listen, I've been doing this for 12 and a half years. I've put in so much investigation on this one silly thing that probably shouldn't be a thing at all. Oh, yes.
Oh, I apologize that you had to go that
Well, the
far.
fact that I had to just prove the dog bag thing drives me crazy. But what happened between you and him today? Because this isn't the first altercation, but this is the first time it's gotten
I just want him to stop yelling at me.
Okay.
Would you yell at a woman by herself?
But how did all this start is my question.
That's it. He just yelled at me. And I yelled back. Probably the wrong day that I yelled back, because I told him and then I went inside, he came up and walked on my lot, told me to know what the was wrong with me, and that's the start of all of it.
Okay.
And then ever since then, he yells morning at me, and I tell him to off, not to yell morning at me.
So as far as what happened today, did it happen the way you said, or did it happen the way he said?
I think we all know what happened.
Ma'am, I need to
And
know.
if
Did you smear feces in his face with a green bag that you have in your pack? Okay. The reason I asked you, and the reason I cannot push this issue with you any further.
I know you can't help me.
Well, here's the thing. You committed what you did today is considered a battery, right? In Pinellas, listen, please listen.
I know, I'm listening. I know I'm in trouble.
In Pinellas County, we have something called adult diversion, right?
He's 76.
Oh.
Should I just call the lawyer?
Well, I mean, regardless of what happened.
Senior. Is that what y'all are saying?
Oh, that's it's not senior.
No, it's battery of a gentleman of 65 or older, which makes it a felony.
Does it always
If
get charged like that? No, not always, right? But
And if he yanked on my hair, that wouldn't matter at all.
No, he said he got a hold of your hair, but that was after.
Yeah, he yanked me and pulled me.
But he said that was after he got the feces smeared in his
Yeah,
face.
he yanked on me when I walked up to him.
Was he sitting or standing?
He was sitting, and I had walked up to him, and I held the dog up and I said, "Don't say hello to me anymore." And he's starting to yank on my hair, and I put the dog. It was simultaneous. I'm not gonna sit here and say I didn't do it first or he did it first, but it.
If you're really looking for the specifics of that, you closed the distance to him where he was in a seated position. He was in a position of disadvantage as you walked up to him at that point.
I guess
you sit back.
this is probably what he wanted. This is why he kept yelling at me. He wanted me to get to this point. Now that I really think about it, I'm stupid.
Do you have somebody that dog can stay with?
I can take him down to my neighbors. You gotta take me in right now.
All right, his name's Brian.
Brian.
Okay. All right, I gotta call your mom, and she's got to get a hold of Brian. Right? You got to call your mom and let her know. And she's going to get a hold of Brian.
Yeah, let her know I'm being arrested. Tell her I'm sorry. But maybe he can get information from Brian, who's a lawyer. It comes to me every 2 weeks.
Brian's a lawyer?
Brian's a lawyer.
Here?
Yes, Barry here. Brian is a lawyer here. I might
Okay.
have his business card in my purse. Just
Talk
call
to mom. Talk to her boss Mandy, and get the client Brian, who's a lawyer, his phone number.
Mr. Ronald,
Yes.
when you're driving out, you gotta have your headlights on.
I ain't have my headlights on.
No, you ain't have your headlights on.
I had just turned out of my mama's apartment complex when get my cheer.
Okay. Hey, step back here with me for a moment. All right. You got anything to drink tonight?
No,
Nothing at all.
no,
Are you sure?
yes.
How come I smell alcohol coming from you?
I don't know why you smell that.
I mean, it's easy. It's an easy question. Yes or no? You've been drinking tonight?
No,
You have not.
no.
All right. Well, you want to take some field sobriety testing?
Yes,
See if you're okay to drive?
yes.
Okay. All right. You just look straight ahead at me. Turn around, face me. Put your feet together. Hands down by your side. All right. See the tip of my finger?
Yes.
Follow this, moving your eyes and your eyes only. Okay. No, you can't. Don't move your head. Move your eyes only.
Oh, eyes.
All right, you see this? Move your eyes only. You still moving your head. Don't move your head.
I'm not moving my head.
Ma'am, you're moving your head like this the whole time. All right? All right, what have you drank tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing at all. All right. You want to provide a breath test for the portable roadside alka sensor?
I just did the
You just did standardized field sobriety. You just did the HGN.
Yes.
And your eyes are bouncing all over the place.
No,
So,
I followed you from there to there to there.
okay. And what is that?
I know the law.
You know the law.
Yes.
All right. Well, what have you been drinking tonight?
I haven't drunk nothing.
All right.
I don't know why you pulled me over.
Because you didn't have no headlights on. It's dark,
Oh
is it
yeah,
not?
you pulled me over because of the headlights, and I said I was just coming out from getting my kids from my mom.
From your mom, and where's that at?
Right there.
Right where? That's a bank right there.
Huh?
That's a bank right there.
No, I just turned right there.
All right. Well,
From that street right there.
from this street over here? They made me didn't. Because I was sitting at the red light up there on Johnson Street
Yes.
and Lee Street, and you come past me.
Yes.
So you didn't just turn from right
I
there.
said, I didn't say I turned
So
right there.
so where are you coming from?
I turned from right there on Sharp Street.
On Sharp Street. Sharp Street is a long ways back from right there. So you went from Sharp Street all the way up here, about a mile, without your headlights on. And you don't see a problem with that.
I didn't say I didn't see a problem.
Okay? Because you a sign of somebody being impaired when they're driving is they forget
I'm
to turn
not
their headlights
impaired
on. Okay? All right.
at all.
Well, look, the next test is going to be a walk and turn, okay? You see this white line? You use the white line. I'm going to put you in the starting position. You're going to hold that position until I tell you to start the test, okay? I'm going to do a short demonstration. I'm only going to take 3 steps. You'll take 9 steps. Put your left foot out in front of you. All right? Then you put your right foot in front of your left. Heel to toe. Don't start walking yet. Don't start walking yet.
Tell me not to start.
Yeah, I told you not to start till I give you a demonstration.
You said demonstrate.
Yep.
Okay.
Put your left foot out in front of you. Put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe. Now just stand right there till heel to toe. Means your heel got to touch your toes. All right. Just keep your hands down by your side. I'm going to demonstrate the test. What you're going to do is you're going to take 9 heel toe steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth until you get to 9. When you get that 9th step, you're going to turn. All right. You're out of the starting position.
Turn where?
You're out of the starting position.
Oh, okay.
All right. Hold this position until I tell you to start the test.
Okay, where you
All right.
want me to turn?
Hold on. I'm trying to tell you. When you get to your 9th step, you're going to keep your lead foot planted, and you're going to turn, taking small, choppy steps. All right.
Where I'm going to turn to?
You're going to turn. You're going to come back the way you came.
Come back up.
Now you can do 9 heel toe steps. Okay. It's very important when you do this test. You keep your eyes on your feet,
Okay.
hands down by your side. You count your steps out loud.
Okay.
All right. And you don't stop until you're finished. Okay? You understand all those?
Yes.
You don't have any problems that would keep you from doing this test? All right.
No.
You may begin.
Start over.
All right. Now you turn and come back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right.
Not impaired.
All right. Well, I'm going to do this. You didn't step heel to toe on any of your steps. Okay? You turn them properly. you stopped the test before you finished it?
I did 9 steps up and 9 steps back.
9 heel-to-toe steps. Those are the instructions.
You said.
Okay.
What do you mean heel to toe?
That means when you step, your heel touches your toe.
Oh, I did 1. Oh, you want my heel to touch my toe?
That's a heel-to-toe step.
Oh, okay. I just did 9 steps.
Yep, you didn't follow the directions of the test. Okay. That's the whole point of it, okay?
I thought you were saying 9 steps up and 9 steps back. This is my heel.
840 Montgomery County, 1027 Georgia. You can begin. You can go again if you want to.
1. That's heel to toe. That's my toe.
054-022-607. 054-022-607.
3, 4, 5. So they're coming off because they're bad.
All right. Well, you can take them off if you want to.
Oh, you want me to take them off?
That's up to you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? That's 9 down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Heel to toe.
All right.
My heels touch my toe.
All right. Who owns the vehicle? You own the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Look here. You can keep telling me you ain't had nothing to drink all you want
I haven't had anything to drink.
All right. Well, I don't believe you.
You don't believe me?
Because first off, and here's why I'm telling you I don't believe you.
Okay.
All right.
I did what you instructed me to do. I did heel to toe, up and down. First you said heel to toe. Then you said I had to. No. First you said 9 steps up and 9 steps down.
9 heel to toe steps.
Then you said heel to toe. I did heel to toe, 9 steps up and 9 steps back. Now you saying you don't believe me.
Well, I mean, because you didn't do very well on the test.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
842. All right, you don't want to provide a breath sample for the roadside alcohol sensor, right?
I just did the heel to toe.
All right, I ain't asking about a heel to toe step. You want to mirror out to me. You don't want to provide a breath sample for the roadside alcohol sensor, okay?
I did.
You don't want to do that?
Toe. No.
All right.
I just did the heel to toe, what you asked me to do.
All right. Well, listen. All right. What I need you to do now is turn around.
I know the law.
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
I
know the law too.
I know
Turn
the
around.
law.
Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because you're under arrest.
What am I getting arrested for?
For suspicion of DUI.
I'm not suspicious.
I'm telling you.
I just did.
I'm going to instruct you one more time.
Heel
Turn
to
around.
toe.
Put your hands behind your back.
I just did heel to toe.
I'm not going to argue with you.
I just did
Turn
heel
around
to
and
toe.
put your hands behind your back.
I know the law.
So do I.
I just did heel to toe.
Turn around and put your hands behind your back.
I don't have to do a sobriety because I did heel to toe.
Well, that's fine. That's your right to refuse it. All right?
Yes, that's my right. But why are you arresting me?
Because you failed the test.
I didn't fail the test. I did 9 up and 9 back.
So I'm
when did I fail the test?
I'm telling you right now.
I did this straight line. Did you see me go over here or over here?
Many times you stepped off line.
No, I didn't.
All right. So
No, I didn't.
I'm going to instruct you one more time.
I didn't.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Fail over here or over here. You just want to meet a quota, and I'm not going to meet that quota. I did 1.
What are you talking about, a quota?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 9. Heel to toe.
What are you talking about, a quota?
Because you're trying to meet a quota before you have to meet before the end of the month.
I have no quota I have to meet.
I did 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I touched my heel to toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have not stepped outside those lines either time. Neither time.
Miss
So
Ross?
I need a lawyer.
You do need a lawyer, and you need to
Yes.
come back to court on your specified
Yes.
date.
Yes, because I didn't
right
step
now,
outside of the line.
right now,
I did not
right
step
now,
outside the line.
I'm telling you, you're under arrest
What am I under arrest
for suspicion of
okay,
DUI.
Let me
No,
call.
don't go back to that vehicle.
I need to call
You
someone.
ain't going back to your vehicle.
I need to call someone.
You will
because
not go back
I
to your
know the
vehicle.
law.
That's fine.
I stepped on this line 9 times. You saying I stepped outside. I have not. I stepped outside of the line.
Well, that'll be
I
something
seen
for me
it.
and your lawyer to discuss when
Okay.
it comes time for court.
No,
Okay.
because I know what the police does.
What do we do?
I know what the police does.
Try to get people off the streets
Yes.
who've been drinking.
No,
That's what we do.
I have not been drinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I keep going this line 9 times. You cannot tell me I know the law.
Ma'am,
I know
can I
the
help you?
law. Okay,
You're not going anywhere. You will not. You will not.
No, you can.
You're under
try-
arrest.
What am I under arrest for?
For DUI.
I walked this line 9 times. You want me to be DUI, but I'm not. So I need
You're
to
not
call
going
who
anywhere.
I need to call.
You will not.
Yes, I do.
You get back in that car, I'm gonna tase you.
I don't care about tase. I know I walked this line 9 times and not have stepped outside the line. You cannot do nothing about that. I walked the line 9 times.
And now you're standing here arguing about
I did the sobriety test. I
42,
didn't
step it
do
up.
the sobriety test. I did the line test, whatever that is.
Okay. Well, you ain't leaving.
Wait, call back up.
No, I mean, that's
Call
fine.
back up.
The way you're acting right now is just, it's
back
making
up.
great,
There go.
great video for when it comes time to go to court. Okay?
Hey, Bree, I know you know me. He told me to walk the line 9 times. I walked the line 9 times up and down. You trying to say that I'm under arrest for DUI, but I walked the line 9 times and not have stepped outside of those lines. So what are I'm under arrest for?
If he suspected that you're under the influence, he
Suspect what?
that you're under the influence.
I'm not suspecting under the
How
influence.
much you had to drink?
Nothing.
You sure? Where you coming from?
Where you going?
Look. He said here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do I let you go back?
Okay. Those are the roadside tips. There's other things that show that.
Where other tests?
You don't have to do a test at all. If he look that you're under the influence, you're under the influence. He say you're under risk, you're under risk.
I'm not under the influence of nothing.
What?
I have not had anything. I don't drink. I don't do.
Have you taken anything in the minute?
No,
Well, I mean, I know you've drank something because I can smell it.
I have not drink nothing but orange soda Fanta
And where was that at?
at the tailgate. Fanta soda.
Tell me.
And I can tell you who I got that from.
Are you sure it was Spike?
No, it was not Spike.
Because you got a
And I
slurred
have-
speech.
No, I have not have a slur of speech.
You just slurred it right then.
No, I did not slur it.
You slurred it again.
He advising that you're under risk. So go ahead and turn around. Make this easy on yourself. If you say you're not drunk, hire your lawyer. Let him fight for it.
I'm not drunk.
You're
I
under the
did
influence
this.
of something.
I'm not under the influence of anything. I have to go to work in the morning. That's why I did not
Well,
drink.
the faster you get to the jail, the faster you can bond out.
I did not drink at all. That's not fair to me. I have to go to work in the morning. I have 2 kids.
I could ask me. So what did you drink?
I did not drink anything but orange Fanta soda.
It must
I have 2 kids that were with me. I just dropped them off to my mom.
On Sharp Street, right?
Yes.
And you drove from Sharp Street to here with no headlights on.
Yes.
And that's normal.
I didn't say that normal. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes I have had the police blink their lights at me to say, turn on your lights. This.
All right.
If he's saying you're on the wrist, you're on the wrist. Ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Okay?
I'm asking that, am I under arrest for?
Being under the influence.
Under influence of what?
You don't know.
I walked the line 9 times. Neither time did I go this way or this way. That's what I'm saying. The police are wicked. That's not right. I know my rights. I know the rights. When I walk this line 9 times,
you're resisting arrest.
I'm not resisting arrest.
Well, you're tacking on more charges. What you're doing?
Have loud music off the lifeguard building down in the Mary.
Miss Rawls, turn around and put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Come on, I get somebody to come get me. This nephew. To get somebody to come get me. You think I'm under the influence? I walked the line twice. I've never had a DUI. I don't drink and drive. And I walked the line twice. So I'm going to go ahead and get a lawyer and look what they're going to do.
All right. Go ahead and step back here. Yeah.
If you do,
Step this way.
If you do anything to me, I know my rights.
Well, man, everything's being recorded, so ain't nobody doing nothing to you.
I know everything being recorded, and I know how to fight too.
Well,
that's water. Exactly. I haven't had anything to drink, and I got a lawyer. Period.
Have a seat.
I'm glad. I know the law. I walked that line. I'm glad.
Was it these ones right here?
Them over there on the bedroom.
On the other side?
On my bedroom. On my bedroom.
Okay.
I don't want to get up. I want to lay down. I'm mad, Nick.
Why are you mad?
Because I just got out of jail today.
You just got out today? Well, I'm gonna definitely take pictures and stuff too, okay? Is it just those windows on your,
Did you see anybody break them?
I heard them. I just got home from Walgreens. You want the prescription?
No, you're fine.
So you just got home from Walgreens and then you heard the window?
And as soon as I got in and went in the back bedroom, he hit the front one first. And I went and looked.
Is that all fresh right now? Was that one from the night
fresh.
too? Okay.
Nick, you know it's fresh.
Okay. I'm just trying to do my investigation.
Did Nick go in your bedroom and see if he could find the rock?
Go, Nick.
Thank you, ma'am.
Go, Nick. Nick can go. Nick know I got shot.
I'm gonna go around the back and go check your other windows, okay?
You can't go, Nick.
I'm gonna go.
Wait, it's locked. It's locked.
Okay. I say I want to keep going through your house.
That bitch done tore up my whole house.
Valerie, when did these front windows get broken?
When you came the last
The last time? Okay, yeah, I remember that. And then those two on that side are new from today?
Right now.
What time did you hear the boom at?
When I just came back from Walgreens, my nephew took me to get my medicine to go to bed.
Do you remember what time that was?
If you go in my house and grab a bag, it's dated.
Was it like right before you
when I got
right before you called us?
Right when it happened.
Okay.
I heard the first one on the first bedroom window. And I ran. and I looked, it was broke. So I was trying to find my phone there. Then when I found the phone, he hit the second window and broke it out.
You didn't see him though? You just
I
heard
don't want to see him.
it? No, man, you didn't see, you just heard it?
Yeah.
Okay. I just gotta ask these questions, you know. Okay? I gotta ask all the questions.
What they broke when you came last time and took a survey?
This one was a little broken.
No.
No, not
the
the
new ones.
The other ones were not, no ma'am.
I'm gonna call my damn insurance company and see if I can recoup on it.
Yeah.
But I'm tired of him tearing up my house.
I understand. Well, we're here to help both of you, okay?
Both of you?
We gotta help everybody.
Did I tear up anything over there?
I hope not.
I never destroyed nothing.
And that's good. We gotta keep it that way, okay? Because I don't want to see you go back to
I'm
jail.
tired of going to jail, Nick.
I would be too.
Did you cut my pants legs off?
I did cut your pants that one time you were shot. I had to see if there was more bullet holes, and there was only the one.
Did I cry?
You didn't. You took it like a champ.
I ain't taking this like no champ.
Well, you took a bullet like a champ.
I'm not taking him like no champ.
You were taking that such like a champ. I had the time to ask you for your
Okay,
ID.
champ is done. Champ is over.
But look, Miss Valerie, we're here.
I'm Shiro.
We're here for you.
Shiro. 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 Come on, 51.
Yeah, because...
If it ain't 51, they better move. I ain't talking to nobody but 51.
This is 51 to the rescue.
Telling you, Nick, you know me.
I do, yes ma'am.
Man, you know I went through a Killio, Colic, whatever his name is. He rode to me to Bayfront.
That was
Man,
Colic.
I have been through so much in the last 12 months.
But you're strong. You can get through it.
I'm very strong.
You are.
And I'm not. Why is he tearing up my house?
Well, we're here to figure that out, okay? You gotta let us do our job, and we'll figure it out, okay? But they're gonna come check you out, okay? Because you took that fall pretty hard, and it looked like you hit your face when you went down because you had sand on your
I'm
face.
still eating sand in my teeth.
How you doing, ma'am?
She came through like that pretty hard. She just fell flat through the bushes, just flat face, everything in. So we just want to make sure she was okay. Miss Valerie, can you answer these gentlemen's questions so that they can check you out because they got things they got to do too, okay?
Just answer some of our questions and we'll get going, okay? Appreciate it. Can we check your vitals?
You gotta understand, being in my situation, you wouldn't get pissed off. You had a neighbor like this calling all the time on you. This wouldn't piss you off.
You've called on her plenty of times too.
Yes, and for what reason? Because I have full evidence of her breaking my. And we actually have court for the damages to the vehicle. Mine are legit. I have every time you guys have put her in jail because I had real reason. She had. Besides false accusations, every time. You know it. Everyone knows it.
We're done talking. You don't have the video. That's all it is.
All right.
This is my house. This is my property. I don't have to go in. If I want to sleep here, I'll sleep.
Valerie. Everybody's responsible for their own actions. Okay?
I didn't do nothing to nobody.
Listen to me, Valerie. Everybody's responsible for their own actions. If you would do me a kind favor and do everything within your power, have a peaceful evening.
Come in, Nick. Pick me up.
Help yourself up, Valerie. The firemen who were fully outfitted in personal protective gear gave you the opportunity to help you up and showed you otherwise. We're not going to be messing around.
Oh, my knee.
The firemen were right there, offered to pick you up.
I get up. Leave me alone.
Okay.
Have a nice night, Valerie.
Ain't nothing gonna be done.
I'm taking a report.
You're taking a report?
A report of what?
The broken windows.
Nothing.
This time I would suggest opening the door.
I will.
Okay.
I'm 60. I'm not 30.
Okay.
Here's the report number, Valerie.
Drop it right here.
Okay.
Right there.
Valerie.
What?
Show me that you can stand up.
I will.
Valerie.
Valerie, can you just go inside, please, so that we can roll out and you don't have to
There's
go
nobody else
to the
here
jail.
at the house to take care of you.
I don't need nobody.
You just fell through a door. Normal people
It's
don't fall
my
through a
door.
door. Yeah, it's your door. What?
I'm mad.
You fell through it. No, not out of anger. You fell through it. Normal people don't fall through doors. That's the first time I've seen that in my entire 24-year career. You cannot
Can
stand.
I have a minute?
No, you've had 10. If you can't do it, we got to take you to jail on a marchman because there's nobody here to take care of you.
Can you get up, please, so I don't have to do that?
That way, you have decisions. You have choices.
I want you to be able to sleep in your own bed, okay?
There we go.
Nick, you know my leg is bad.
I know.
Nobody can help me.
Just, you gotta step up with the other one, okay?
Right.
Okay. Can you do it, please? We have to visually see it.
Can I sit right there?
No, we gotta get you inside, okay? I'm gonna help you inside. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. There you go.
Can you walk?
Watch your step.
Well, did you like this top 3 funniest police encounters? If you have video ideas or suggestions, please email them to us at fpsllc@protonmail.com. Oh, and if you get a chance, be sure to check out our website, outfitterfreedom.com. See you soon with another video. Have a good day.